1. Which of the following is the primary responsibility of the Illinois Department of Employment Security, IDES? A. Issuing professional licenses. B. Administering unemployment insurance benefits. C. Managing federal income tax collection. D. Regulating workplace safety standards. 2. What type of tax funds Illinois' unemployment insurance program? A. Federal excise tax. B. State sales tax. C. Employer payroll tax. D. Employee wage deduction. 3. Under IDES rules, what is the usual maximum number of weeks an individual can receive unemployment benefits during a standard claim period without extensions? A. 12 weeks. B. 26 weeks. C. 39 weeks. D. 52 weeks. 4. Which federal law establishes the framework for unemployment insurance programs, including IDES? A. Fair Labor Standards Act, FLSA. B. Social Security Act of 1935. C. Wagner Act of 1935. D. Civil Rights Act of 1964. 5. Which eligibility requirement must claimants meet to receive IDES unemployment benefits? A. Be actively seeking suitable work. B. Show proof of attending job fairs. C. Have a college degree. D. Demonstrate federal tax compliance. 6. What is the base period IDES uses to determine monetary eligibility? A. The 4 most recent calendar months. B. The last full year of employment. C. The first 4 of the last 5 completed calendar quarters. D. The last 2 calendar years. 7. Which of the following actions could disqualify a claimant from IDES benefits? A. Being laid off due to lack of work. B. Quitting voluntarily without good cause. C. Being furloughed by the employer. D. Accepting temporary part-time work. 8. Which service is provided by IDES to support job seekers beyond unemployment benefits? A. Free financial loans. B. Career counseling and workforce development. C. Housing subsidies. D. Health insurance coverage. 9. What is the purpose of the IDES Benefit Payment Control Unit? A. To schedule job interviews. B. To investigate and prevent unemployment fraud. C. To collect employer tax payments. D. To manage retirement programs. 10. Employers in Illinois submit unemployment insurance tax payments to A. The Illinois Department of Revenue. B. The Illinois Department of Employment Security. C. The U.S. Department of Labor. D. The Federal Reserve Bank. 11. When a claimant files for benefits with IDES, what must they certify, weekly or biweekly? A. Tax deductions. B. Job search activities and availability to work. C. Housing expenses. D. Retirement plan contributions. 12. Which IDES program connects veterans with employment opportunities? A. Veterans Readjustment Act. B. Illinois Veteran Employment Program. C. Jobs for Veterans State Grant. D. GI Bill Employment Network. 13. In Illinois, how are unemployment insurance benefits typically paid? A. Paper checks only. B. Direct deposit or debit card. C. Cash through employers. D. Payroll advance vouchers. 14. Which IDES online system allows claimants to file, certify, and manage claims electronically? A. Benefits. B. Illinois JobLink. C. MyTax Illinois. D. Illinois NetFile. 15. Which of the following situations could lead to an overpayment determination by IDES? A. Employer bankruptcy. B. Claimant failing to report part-time earnings. C. Employer filing tax late. D. Seasonal work assignment. 16. If a claimant disagrees with an IDES decision, what is the first level of appeal? A. U.S. Supreme Court. B. Illinois Appellate Court. C. An IDES administrative hearing. D. Federal Labor Board. 17. What is the role of the U.S. Department of Labor in relation to IDES? A. Collecting Illinois unemployment taxes. B. Approving and monitoring state unemployment programs. C. Issuing Illinois benefit payments. D. Providing direct reemployment services. 18. Which of the following does IDES consider misconduct that can disqualify a claimant? A. Lack of job openings in the area. B. Repeated tardiness or workplace rule violations. C. Company downsizing. D. Seasonal work ending. 19. What is the primary purpose of Illinois JobLink under IDES? A. To serve as an online tax portal. B. To connect job seekers with employers. C. To issue unemployment benefits. D. To regulate minimum wage rates. 20. Employers are required to report wages to IDES. A. Weekly. B. Monthly. C. Quarterly. D. Annually. 21. What penalty can IDES impose for fraudulently claiming unemployment benefits? A. Reduction in tax refund only. B. Repayment of benefits and possible criminal charges. C. Warning letter without repayment. D. Permanent eligibility for benefits. 22. What does IDES require from claimants who refuse a suitable job offer? A. Proof of financial hardship. B. A valid reason or they may be disqualified. C. Submission of educational transcripts. D. Employer recommendation letter. 23. Which group of workers may have unique eligibility rules under IDES unemployment? A. Federal employees and military personnel. B. Part-time retail workers. C. Union members. D. Volunteers. 24. IDES conducts reemployment services primarily to A. Reduce long-term unemployment duration. B. Eliminate tax audits. C. Provide retirement savings advice. D. Replace Social Security benefits. 25. Which of the following would most likely qualify as good cause for leaving a job under IDES? A. Desire to pursue a hobby. B. Unsafe working conditions. C. Lack of interest in the work. D. Wanting to relocate without a job offer. 26. What does the acronym IDES stand for? A. Illinois Department of Economic Services. B. Illinois Department of Employment Security. C. Illinois Division of Employer Support. D. Illinois Department of Employee Services. 27. Which document typically provides IDES with proof of wages earned? A. W-2 form. B. Credit card statement. C. Social Security card. D. Driver's license. 28. What is one main goal of IDES workforce development programs? A. Increase state taxes. B. Help job seekers gain skills for employment. C. Fund public infrastructure. D. Manage housing development. 29. What is the Extended Benefits EB program under IDES? A. A permanent increase in benefit amounts. B. Extra weeks of unemployment benefits during high unemployment periods. C. A one-time emergency cash payment. D. A federal student aid program. 30. What does IDES require employers to provide upon an employee's separation? A. Work search plan. B. Separation notice with reason for unemployment. C. Copy of tax filings. D. Retirement account balance. 31. Which Illinois law governs unemployment insurance as implemented by IDES? A. Illinois Employment Security Act. B. Illinois Workers' Compensation Act. C. Illinois Wage Payment Act. D. Illinois Fair Employment Practices Act. 32. In which scenario would IDES unemployment benefits likely be denied? A. Layoff due to company downsizing. B. Termination for theft or gross misconduct. C. Furlough during economic downturn. D. Temporary seasonal closure. 33. Which tool does IDES provide to help employers verify job seekers? A. E-Verify Illinois. B. Illinois Labor Hub. C. Illinois Job Link. D. Employer Payroll Portal. 34. When an IDES claimant receives benefits while not meeting requirements, the situation is called A. Wage reporting. B. Overpayment. C. Claim suspension. D. Tax offset. 35. What is the main purpose of IDES labor market information reports? A. To assist policymakers and job seekers with employment data. To replace employer tax filings. C. To monitor Social Security payments. D. To calculate property tax rates.